morning, everyone. Welcome back to Wake Up with Glama. I wasn't sure if I was going to actually film today, but after learning last night about the terrorist attack at the Ariana Grande concert in Manchester last night, I just thought I have to address it. I'm not going to make this very long. And watching GMA this morning, that's what it was all about today, and it's very saddening, and I just want to send my sincerest condolences to the people of Manchester, and especially if there are any of my viewers from Manchester or from the surrounding area, or if one of your loved ones or friends was injured or worse, killed. I just want to send my sincerest apologies. I just can't say it enough that if we just loved ourselves and each other and everyone we come in contact with, stuff like this wouldn't happen. I know that I can't make a difference in what's going on in the world, but I just figure if I use what little platform I have and what voice I have to spread the love that I feel for you all, and for you all to feel the love that I'm giving to you and pass it on to everyone else, that we can make a difference. I know that it is inevitable. The Bible predicted this, that towards the end the times would get worse. There'd be wars, there'd be famine, there'd be, just all of this that's happening. No natural affection for parents, for children, for humanity, and everything that the Bible has predicted is definitely coming true, and we're so close to the end because we're hearing about this all the time. Last year, I believe it was in Florida, where 49 were killed, and now last night 22 killed. One of them might be the actual terrorist that was killed. I'm not sure, or they're not quite sure yet, but they believe there was two of them that were the terrorists. One of them has been caught and is in jail. The other one, they believe, is one of the 22 that is dead. But I don't want to make this very long. I just want to send out my love to you all and my sincerest condolences. Even if you haven't lost someone, my sincerest condolences, because I know that the people of Manchester have to be hurting right now. If I'm feeling it and America is feeling it all the way over here in the United States of America, then I can only imagine how you all are feeling. So I just, if you need to talk about it, or if you would like to share your thoughts on it, leave your comments down below. But until then, just remember that I love you, and don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alrighty guys, bye. Mwah.